I sew with a bunch of friends. We have a group, we get together, we batch cut fabrics, we batch sew clothing, we help each other fit, we're on the floor hemming pants, bending over, kneeling down, getting up, carrying stuff around. Let me tell you, by the end of the day, not only am I exhausted, my back is killing me. So I had a friend recommend this product to me, and I want to share it with you. I'm not very good at gatekeeping. I like to share everything, so I'm going to share what she said to me with you, because at the end of the day, I want to keep sewing with my friends for hours and hours, and that's really important to the way my lifestyle is right now. And I think that all crafters out there can agree with me. There is so much time spent bending over, hunched over, rotary cutting, leaning over the sewing machine, getting down on our hands and knees to pin something or pick up the pins that we dropped because we didn't see them go. So this is amazing. It goes around your waist. You can walk around with it, so you can wear it all day. You're not plugged in. You don't have to like sit on the couch at the end of the day. You can wear it while you're actually doing something, while you're actually working through your craft projects. So it's thermal, all right? So there's thermal heat going through this belt. Let me show it to you. So here's the belt. I'll show you, I'll put it on for you in a few minutes. So here is the control panel. This is where you plug it in to charge it. And then here's the control panel. You have the on and off button, and then the heat button, the intensity button, and then the vibration button and the light button. So those are all really important, and you can set them the way you like them. This fits around your waist, but there is also a extender if you need it. So it comes with a little extender, so you can make it a little bit larger if you're more poochy than what the belt is. I may need it myself. Yeah, so let me show you what it looks like on. All right, let's put the thermal wrap on. Make sure it's nice and comfy. And then the controls are right here. It's like a hip holster. I'm gonna play with the heat a little bit. Oh, and then the vibrator. Woo. That's amazing. And then we'll go in for the light therapy. Oh, and you have settings for the light therapy. The vibration changes, so it's not the same. It changes, it's moving. The heat is amazing. So can you imagine just like, so I put this on, put on my little duster. Oh yeah, I could spend the whole day sewing with this, bending over, which is really, for me, I'm short. I don't know how you tall girls do it. I'm 5'3". Bending over at a cutting table for more than one pattern is a killer. And I like to batch cut stuff. So by the end of the day, I can barely walk back into the living room. So this is huge as far as that goes. I would say you put it on and use it while you're actually doing the crafty stuff that you're working on, the bending over, the sitting at the table, and let it help you the whole day instead of waiting until afterwards when you're like dying in agony because your back hurts so much. This is like nirvana. I am loving this. So to my friend who recommended this to me, I absolutely love. I don't want to take this off, but I do need to show it to you. It's still going. Look at that light. That therapy, look at that. You can see it reflecting off my arm. Oh, it's warm, just warm enough to like soften your muscles and make them feel good. And then the vibration. I mean, you could turn the vibration off if you just wanted the light therapy, if you just wanted the heat, so you have lots of options with this. But this light therapy, this is state of the art, and yeah. This is fabulous. So you can see here, let's see if I turn it this way, which way is my upside right? Here. So you have options on the infrared, on the massage on the heat level, and then the off button. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. If you have one, let me know how it works and how you use it. And if you don't, let me know what you think about them, because I can't wait to take this back upstairs and just kind of relax. Till next time, happy sewing. Bye.